Hey guys, it's Pablo, and today, now this is my first video, if you don't know. I know it's like kind of weird that I'm showing my face at this time. I have a lot of channels. I'm not going to put the links in there because you're going to know who I am. So this is a tutorial to, I'm on my computer, as you can see. It's a MacBook Air. Okay, let me type in my password. Okay, so now this is going to be the tutorial to now this is kind of hard. So what you want to do now? Let me turn the camera. Okay, now. Oh, this is my other channel. I'll put this channel in the description. I might. Okay. So now I'm on YouTube. All you gotta do now, if you don't have this app, where is it? Oh yeah, this one. Photo image editor, pixel style. So go on the app store, that one right there, and get this pixel style. It's a really cool app. So I'm gonna go on it. Okay, so these are like the prefix and the default. You can choose clipboard, screen size. So I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna do in the default one. So then I'm gonna press create. Come on. Okay, create. Okay, now this is how you make books. Okay, I'm not gonna make it good, but I'm gonna like draw a human. Okay, so then I'm going to show you how to print. I kind of forgot how to print, but I'll see what I can do. Okay, now this is like to crop your tool. This is the paintbrush, so you can change the font. And then this is a pencil. It's thicker. And this is an eraser. This is a pen. You just try to make it sharper. This is a clone stamp. You can clone your drawings. Okay, this is the bucket. So if you want to draw, so if you want to color something fast, just press on the bucket. This is the smudge tool, the burn tool. This is the text tool. Let me show you. To go on here, and then you do something, and you can change the color. Just saying. This is the color where you can change the thing. Oh, let me change. Hold on. Let me get off. Let me change it again. I think that's how you. Yeah. See? And then you can. I'll show you how to change the color in the next tutorial, maybe, because that's way too long. And this at the bottom is how you zoom in. And then you can zoom out. It's kind of creepy. Okay, so after that, you wanna press. Where's the button? So then you just want to get off at the top, and then it says save. Documents. These are your documents. You can title it. I'm just gonna title it gibberish. Okay. Now that we go, okay, this is nothing that you can worry about. So, and then we got, okay, let's see, pixel style. And then this is your gibberish. This is the thing that I made. You want to press on it. And then to like photo image pixel art. You want, okay, at the top there's photo image pixel art. And push on that. And then it'll be your files, new window, and then print. It's gonna show you what you can print. So this is the thing that I'm gonna print, but what you want to do is print the pixel art. I'm gonna print this. Okay. So now it's printing, and yeah. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, smash that like button. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.